next question. Would working in an auto shop be suitable work for a Haredi Jew? Torah?
There's no problem. I mean, we have a big lack of huge deficit in God-fearing people among the mechanics. You understand? Usually auto mechanic is a crook. What is the possibility? Like almost 103%. Right? So if we have somebody reliable, somebody God-fearing, and if it costs you $5 only, he's going to cost $5. That's already what it costs. So that's what could be better, the biggest Kiddush Hashem. Right? And Hashem is going to bless this person. And he's going to have lines of people. You understand? Lines. Everybody, like in where I live, there are a few like I don't know, like what is it? Like business district. No, it's like streets, but there are shops door to door, almost door to door. 1, 3, like collision shop, like at 5, 7, 10, and all of them have business. Right? I mean, people come, people leave, so they're busy. So I mean, there's competition, but I'm not sure how they're busy from morning to night. So they're fine. But if a person like that, God-fearing person, I think he's going to have like all of them is going to stand empty, and he's going to have this line next to him, Jews and non-Jews, right? Because it's famous for this mechanics being the biggest crooks. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Our friends commenting, Shalom Kudarav, there's a similar problem as crooks in auto repair, also in industrial agriculture.
Okay. I mean, whatever a person can do Kiddush Hashem, that would be amazing.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.